Most customers that I've spoken with find AI complicated, they find it expensive, there are security concerns, and really they're still trying to figure out how do I bring AI to Salesforce? Your sales rep are spending a lot of time doing everything else but selling. So really the idea is how do we apply things like generative AI and solve some of these problems? So we looked at that and we all know that AI can help us do more with less. But the idea is how do you do this without distractions? And everything down here are some of the use cases. So whether it's writing emails, doing white space analysis, doing opportunity summarization, account summarization, all of these things are use cases that today happen manually in almost every company in the world. Most customers that I've spoken with find AI complicated, they find it expensive, there are security concerns, and really they're still trying to figure out how do I bring AI to Salesforce? I don't want to buy a huge number of licenses. I don't want to invest significantly in data infrastructure. I like my consulting partners, but I don't want to spend a ton of consulting dollars, build some legacy code that then I have to manage and maintain. And a lot of good, promising things I hear about AI are somewhere out in the future. So what you're looking at here is completely AI generated response. There are a few things that are interesting. Here you can see that it is, addressed to this person and it has the context. It knows, hey, you're looking for this. And so we've added all that stuff. That's great, but I don't like AI generated emails. So what happened here is I asked the question, Einstein chatbot redirected it to my AI and my RAG in the background, and it has actually responded back. But what you notice now is that it has actually given me a link to my website, right? So if I click on this, it will now take you to my knowledge base, right? And you can see how you migrate or whatever, right? The point is, this answer came completely from AI, right? There is zero involvement of any agent here. And this is not just a search. This is an intelligent conversational response. And what AI is doing is AI is looking at the rules and saying, you haven't scheduled a meeting with a decision maker based on the stage of the opportunity, right? There are some objections that somebody has raised and it's saying, hey, you need to address these objections. And it's giving you why it is offering this advice. So it's a really interesting way for companies to distill all of the selling guidance that they want to incorporate and actually do this. So the point is, you are now enabling your salespeople to be far more intelligent about this, to be far more savvy about their customer, and they can know these things. And we have all of this automated. You can automatically run stuff like this. You can run our prompts and populate information like this. As much as I love Salesforce, it will not be the center of the universe of my customers, right? Or your company. So if you have third-party data sources, you can actually pull that data inside Salesforce using again OData. Pratik asked, can GPTfy work on Service Cloud, Manufacturing Cloud, and Field Service Lightning? Yes, Pratik, absolutely. Very happy to say that anything that's running on the core platform, we can run on it. We have built this entire thing to be very metadata oriented. You can run it against whatever you like.